we're going to demonstrate the membrane replacement. So first we take a sharp utility knife and we cut along the bottom of the little glue joint there. And it's a real hassle because when they put it together, I'm sure it was on a table before it was in here. So we're cutting and we're cutting. Now that it's cut partway, we're going to take something very sharp like a chisel, try to get it in there and pry a little bit. Look at how it's starting to come up. This is how it works. Now here we're taking off the old silicone. The membrane pops out of the ring, and now this is the old one. We're going to pretend this is the new one. The ring on these has one side that's slightly beveled and one side that's not. So you would clean the old glue off with something sharp on both sides. Make sure it's smooth. And same thing down here. Get the big pieces off. Go around and scrape it. And of course you would do a better job than we're doing, because we're just doing this real quick to demonstrate it. But basically you're going to get off the old silicone and any big chunks of glue. Okay, this is our new membrane, and what we do first is we take clear RTV silicone and you put a little bead around the inside lip of the membrane. Okay, we've gotten all the way around, so we set this aside because that's the same silicone you're going to use to seal the lid. Then we take this and very carefully put it over the... Of course the new one's a little more flexible. Put it over there. Now the silicone is the primary seal in there. And if there's any deviation between this and the instructions I'm sending you, the instructions apply, because I haven't done this for a long time. Anyway, rotate it a little bit to smear it on. You take the ring, and the little beveled side is going to go down. You take your clear PVC glue, and you go on the inside edge of this ring several times, get it nice and gluey and soft. Then you take this ring and you put it over here and push it.
Is a particular side beveled up or down?
The beveled goes down. Okay. If it has a bevel on only one side. And you push it down so it goes down as far as you can. And that makes seal number 2. Now seal number 3 is made. I included a bottle, a sample bottle. You have a small squirt bottle with a tip, and these I cut off halfway. Take your gray glue and you pour it inside. See, that's gray glue. Pretend it's gray glue. And there's probably better bottles you can get to do this, but I have these for free. So then you take it and you put a bead of glue around the bottom of the ring. And you want it big enough that it sucks into the hole and covers everything up. You go all the way around. It's really hard in the back. Sometimes you have to take your finger and just squish it around there. And then take a mirror and check it, make sure it's all sealed. And then if you have any holes, you go back and fill them up. But this is what I found works best, is something that you can do that. No dauber is going to work.